Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. We are going on a short overnight trip, and this is probably the most common type of overnight that most people will get involved with. And whether it's for work or a medical appointment or for leisure, an overnight trip is pretty common. So I thought I'd just take a quick minute here and show you guys what we're taking on this overnight here, what I'm taking as far as gear and things to have with us for just any little thing that could possibly pop up. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera around here, show you what I'm taking. The first couple things that I'm going to mention are keys or key fobs. If two people are going, each person should have a set of keys or key fob for that vehicle, because you just never know. There's been different times when we've been out camping and whatnot where somebody lost a set of keys and they had to literally drive halfway across the state to get another set, or something crazy like that, and that can be prevented if both people have a key or a key fob. And the other thing is cash. Never travel without some cash, and keep some cash in some unconventional places. I like to stick a 20 down in my sock, and that way I've always got some cash on me, no matter where I am, or if something would happen, I'd happen to lose my wallet or something. I always got $20 worth of cash on me. All right, this is the back of my wife's vehicle, and you can see here we both got our packs that we pretty much carry all the time. Hers is the black one, and mine is kind of the beat up green one you see right there. And we do have rain gear. Her coat is actually Gore-Tex, and mine is like a stormproof fabric. You always want to have a good raincoat when you're going. And the next thing is a solid state map. Whatever state you live in, you can get these atlases that cover basically the entire state, all the back roads and whatever. Because even though I know where I'm going, things happen. There could be accidents. There could be things that are rerouted. You could be rerouted into an area that you don't know. There could be detours. There's lots of different reasons, especially when you're traveling through rural areas. You might not have a signal. You might not be able to get any type of GPS on your phone or whatnot. So you always want to have a map like this so you can orient yourself by the different crossroads. As far as just my overnight stuff, you know, I got my medication in there, and I always suggest if you're just going on an overnight, you should probably take at least 3 to 4 times as much in case something happens. So if you plan on being gone a day, take 4 or 5 days worth of medication with you. Got my dental stuff right there, and just a change of clothes. I like these bags. These they're sort of like a bailout or a range bag. I got this one from LA Police Gear a long time ago, and they got these magazine pouches in the front. Well, these magazine pouches are actually great for deodorant and carrying spare battery chargers and that kind of stuff. And then got one of my cheap flashlights as a spare. I always carry extra lights. And then in here, I just show you real quick here, got my charging cords and that kind of stuff. So it's just a real basic pack. And then as far as the vehicle goes, that's the first aid kit that we carry in our vehicles. Each kit is just slightly different, but they got your basic stuff. They got your basic medication, your basic kind of boo-boo stuff, and then there's a little bit of trauma stuff in there, like a tourniquet or a kind of compression gauze, that kind of stuff. And then a little food bag. We always carry a little food bag as well, with just some few little snacks and little oddments in there that if we're hungry, if we want to grab something, we got something to eat. And it's usually a combination of commercial stuff and mixed pieces that we've taken out of MREs. And then up front there, we just got a small cooler where we carry some drinks and water. So that's basically the stuff that we take on overnight, just here in our own state, for either work or leisure, or for medical appointments or something. This is basically the stuff that we carry. Anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys get a little information, a little entertainment out of this video here, and hopefully some ideas, as always, that you can apply to your own situation. You guys have a good one.